Hello friends, today is my topic what is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry applies physics to the study of chemistry, thermodynamics, quantum mechanism, nuclear chemistry. It's physical chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry and deals with the chemical property of materials and explained by law of physics. Quantum chemistry, nuclear chemistry, thermodynamic chemistry, kinematic of chemistry, and spectroscopy. It is the study of microscopic atomic, subatomic, and phenomena of chemical system in terms and concept of physics like as motion, force, kinetic energy. It's combine of law of physics with mathematical models and chemical insight. What is physical chemistry? Physical chemistry is the study of atomic, subatomic, microscopic or particulate phenomena in chemical system in terms of different laws and concepts of physics. Physical chemistry applies the principles and concepts of physics such as thermodynamics, force, times, energy, motion, statistical mechanism, quantum chemistry, dynamic and equilibrium. Its total is physical chemistry. Physical properties of different type of chemical substance can be studied on different scale like the atomic, subatomic, macroscopic and microscopic. Atomic property are property related to atom or element. Atomic numbers, atomic weight, oxidation state, electron per cell, electronic configuration and atomic radius are example of atomic properties. Atomic properties of element carbon. Chemical symbol C carbon. Atomic number 6 and atomic weight relative atomic mass bar point 0.107. Oxidation state +4 or -4 and +2. Electrons per cell K2L4 and electronic configuration 1s square, 2s square and 2p square and atomic radius spicometer is 67. How to calculate atomic mass? Total proton, total neutron equal to total of atomic mass, electron, neutron and proton particles in it. How to find out neutrons in atoms? Like the carbon, the atomic number 6 and carbon. Average atomic mass bar point 0.01. Atomic number बराबर number of proton and number of proton बराबर number of electron for a neutral element and mass number बराबर proton plus neutron is equal to total mass of number proton plus neutron. It's calculation about carbon. Subatomic properties are properties related to study of subatomic particles and research on energy and waves. This is a part of advanced physical chemistry or nuclear chemistry. For the subatomic Rutherford's atomic models, how many subatomic how how many subatomic particles are there? There are three subatomic particle: proton, electron and neutron. Atomic structure: nucleus, shell and 90% empty. Nucleus is a dense electron is the nucleus and the proton, electron and neutron totally electron is around in proton and neutron is nucleus shell. Charge of subatomic particles: proton, electron and neutron. Proton is positive charge, electron is negative charge, why a neutron is neutral. Positively charged and negatively charged and around a electric total and electron is negative charge because the attractive in positive side and proton is a positive charge because the attract in negative side. Mass of subatomic particles, proton, neutron and electron. Proton is equal to 1 AMU and neutron is 1 AMU and electron is 1 upon 18000 AMU बराबर 0 AMU. Electron mass of unit. AMU is equal to atomic mass unit. Microscopic property are properties related to the microscopic level, like the shape and structure of crystal and molecules, with the use of light microscope and electron microscope and scanning probe microscope. Macroscopic property are properties of substance which describe how relative charge large quantities of the substance behave as a group. For example of a melting point MP and boiling point is BP. Vaporization and latent heat of fusion and specific heat of capacity, thermal conductivity and coefficient of linear thermal expansion and many other physical properties. For example of the water excited in the three states, solid ice, liquid water and gas steam. When we cool steam, it turns into the water, and on further cooling, water is converted into ice. Concept of macroscopic and microscopic view of classical thermodynamics is a macroscopic and statistical thermodynamics point of view. Microscopic average value and totally macro is equal to the largest and micro is equal to smallest. Branch of physical chemistry. Physical chemistry have many branches. Some of them are described below. 1. Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of relationship between the electricity and chemical. 2. Photochemistry. Photochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the chemical effect of light, and photochemistry describes the chemical reaction caused by the absorption of ultraviolet radiation wavelength from the source to the 400 nanometer and visible light to the 400 700 700 nanometer, or infrared radiation is the 715 into 250 nanometer. And the third, thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of the energy and heat associated with the chemical reaction and physical transformation. Now, fourth, spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of interaction between the matter and electromagnetic radiation. Fifth, the chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rates of chemical process. Chemical kinetics is also known as reaction kinetics. Sixth, quantum chemistry. Quantum chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the application of the quantum mechanism in physical models and chemical systems. Quantum chemistry is also known as the molecular quantum mechanism. And 7. Surface chemistry or surface science is the branch of science which deals with the study of physical and chemical phenomena which occurs at the interface of two phases. Surface science is include the fields of surface chemistry and surface physics. 8. Solid state chemistry. It is the branch of solid state chemistry, the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of structure, synthesis, and properties of solid phase materials. Solid state chemistry is also known as the material chemistry. 9. Biophysical chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the use of concept of physics and physical chemistry for the study of biological system. And 10. Nuclear chemistry, dealing with the radioactivity, nuclear process and transformation in the nucleus of atoms, such as the nuclear transformation and nuclear properties, is called the nuclear chemistry. Branch of physical chemistry. Total 10 branches described below.